3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
So as a Sikkens customer, we're also granted access to the A-Code program, which really sets them apart from any other paint line in the market. The shop itself was really struggling when I first got here. Within 1 year of using the A-Code Select program, we were able to get in third place overall in the entire country. And this most recent year, we actually took first place home, which is something I'm very proud of our team for doing and very grateful for A-Code supporting us in achieving these successes.
Here we go!
I could only have the highest things to say about Sikkens and Akzo is that if you're a body shop manager or if you own a body shop and you're not with them, I think you're completely missing the boat because there are so many advantages, not just the paint, but the management side and the consulting side has been world class.